The first generation iPad was Apple's first attempt to design a device that is a hybrid between a smartphone and a laptop, known today as a tablet. In this video, let's explore how well this tablet fares a decade after its release. This iPad has a 1024 by 768 9.7-inch LCD display with a well-known 4:3 aspect ratio. It came with Apple's 1 GHz A4 processor, 256 MB of RAM, and could be configured with up to 64 GB of storage. Most notably, it came with a large 11,580 mAh battery, which still fares well to this day. Like all iPads, the original iPad was designed with aesthetics in mind, with a beautiful unibody aluminum design, only being a half-inch thick at its thickest point and weighing a pound and a half. It also had Apple's old-style speaker grills, and it had the 30-pin charging port that you would find on older Apple products. In terms of software, the iPad came out with iOS 3.2, and the last version it supports is iOS 5.1.1. Now we have finally arrived at the home screen of the iPad, which should feel very familiar to you as it has the same general layout as the current generation set of iPads. A few differences to note is that this iPad does not support Control Center, the multitasking does not show the preview of apps, instead there's a row of icons that appear at the bottom which you can close one by one. It does not have a Retina display, and it has the old Apple icon designs. One app that you won't find on your iPads is the old iconic YouTube icon, which is pre-installed on this iPad, but unfortunately it is no longer supported. And that leads me into my next point, which is that many apps from the App Store no longer are supported on this iPad, including things like YouTube, Netflix, and pretty much almost all applications. I was able to find a few games where their older versions were able to be installed, but that is also a hit or miss. If the game launches, the iPad is able to run the game fairly well, but a lot of the time you will find that the application just crashes, which points to the limitation of Apple's 10-year-old hardware. Apple's first generation iPad was a revolutionary device that made the tablet market what it is today. Even in 2020, this iPad is still going strong with great battery life and a smooth UI experience. And even though most applications are not able to run on this iPad, it is still an iconic device. That is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.